as you can see, we just pulled up to McDonald's for a late night snack. And, sorry, my car's a mess. And we just found out that their Happy Meal toys are Monster Jam trucks. So, you know, you don't have to get the Happy Meal if you don't want it. You can definitely ask Kay if I could just buy the toys. And they have the green one, which is Gravedigger, and then they also had the blue one, which is Blue Toro Loco, and you get to put the stickers on and everything, so it's really cool. We're gonna get home and we're gonna open these up and put the stickers in there because that is so cool. So obviously Gabe wants Gravedigger, so we will put the stickers on when we get home. I put the stickers on because Gabe can't wait, and this is what the Gravedigger looks like. Pretty classic Gravedigger. It has this down here, which I think, I don't know. We're gonna have to test this out, but pretty cool. Hey friends, before I added the stickers, I just wanted to show you what the other monster truck looked like. It's Toro Loco. It's blue. It looks like they are running.
I like Toro Loco.
I like Toro Loco too.
Me too.
A Monster Jam Fire and Ice. But like I said, the first one I got was Gravedigger, so I'm gonna have to do some research on these new McDonald's toys. So I'll show you what. Oh, I don't even... Oh my goodness, it's not Toro Loco, Gabe. I was wrong. It's Dragon. It's Blue Dragon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, well, guys, I will put it together and I will show you the finished product. Alright, friends. So I put the stickers on Dragon and it is really cool. This is what it looks like. Front, side... And then in the front it says, let's see if we can, Monster Jam Fire and Ice. So this definitely is part of the new McDonald's collection. Really cool.